Deuce, what are you doing? Hmm?
Look.
Are you looking out the window at the truck?
Yeah. It's the truck and car.
Tell me what you see.
You know what it is?
Hmm?
It's down. It's down. It's down.
What's down there?
Look.
A truck. Where is the truck? Show me the truck.
Right there.
Oh, that's a big, big truck.
That's Jesus car.
You see a little car?
Yeah.
What else do you see?
Another car.
Another truck.
Yeah.
What color is it?
Green.
Look at me. What color?
What color is it?
The gray truck?
Another truck.
Another truck? Where?
I don't see it.
Oh, I don't see it either. What are you pointing at?
Cool.
That's a pretty cool truck, huh?
Yeah.
That's a tow truck. It tows cars. Sometimes cars won't turn on and they have to get towed away.
Uh-oh.
What was that? What was that? It's pretty exciting stuff, huh? Now see, the truck is going to move right now. He told you. Yep, he's got to move again. He has to turn around. See, the truck is turning around. Now he's going to back up. Beep, 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 beep. Excuse me, I'm backing up. Beep, 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 beep.
He's stopping.
And he stopped, right. And now the man is getting out of the truck. What do you think he's going to do?
He's gonna move that car.
Yeah, he's going to move that car. What did you say, honey?
He's gonna move that car.
Oh, yes, he is going to move the car.
He's gonna move. He's gonna move that car.
Let's see what happens.
Is that? Look, I Look, I
I think Brad wants to look at the mirror.
He's gonna pull. He's gonna pull. That Kaka, Kaka, fully, he's that really. He has really, he's gonna pull. He's gonna pull. He's gonna move that guy.
Yeah, he's going to move that car. But I don't think he's going to push it. I think he's going to pull it.
He's gonna pull that guy.
I think he's going to pull that car.
He's gonna pull that guy.
Let's see what happens. Do you think he's going to push the car or pull the car? You think he's going to push the car?
He's gonna push that car.
Let's see.
Gonna push that car. He's gonna push that car. He's gonna push that car.
I wonder why he keeps honking the horn. Honk, honk. Honk, honk.
Push that car.
He's pulling the car. See, he's pulling the car. He's pulling it up. Ham bone. He stopped for a moment. I wonder why. No, I need that back. Thank you. What'd you say, honey? What did you say, Deuce?
It's gruff. Right down the floor back up. It's the wrong thing. Right here.
What color is that car?
Right.
That's a silver car.
That's silver. That's not right.
No, it's not white. It's silver.
It's silver. Right.
Silver.
Silver. Yes. Look out. Widow. It's gone.
Oh, that wasn't too nice to catch.
It's not that. It's not that. It's not that. It's not that.
Okay, I think he's gonna go bye-bye now.
Oh,
Say bye.
bye.
See you later.
He's on the way. He's on the way. And bye-bye.
Bye-bye. That was exciting, huh?
That's the clock.
That was a big truck.
Yeah, that's the clock.
That was a big, big truck. It towed the car away. That was a tow truck.
That's the clock.
Yeah.
I'm going to dance back. So stop running away. And then TV in that.
Tell me what happened.
I do it happy. Who's that? Who's that? Mine. Nice. It's got a good.
All right.